It is the 2nd of April 2023. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay. Yeah, forgive me, I'm just hooking up the headset. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I haven't I haven't done anything I can think of right now. Coming week, again, same thing. Work with the level sensor and Trello, and blocks are right now. I'm troubleshooting something on my desktop. And back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This last week, I have some progress on the makerspace stuff. I went to print out another version of another copy of my version 11 gear and ran into some trouble with that. I printed out a wobble drive, which is kind of hard to describe. It's kind of like one of these things, which is just a 1/4 inch socket drive, but the end is beveled a little bit, so it doesn't have to be quite as well aligned. I think that worked out okay. I haven't tested it yet. With the knitting machine, after last week's testing and problems with feeding the yarn, I decided this version 11 is good enough, and I am trying to get back to editing and posting, and haven't gotten that done yet. Um, I ripped apart the knitting machine and took out the switches that were causing it to have mechanical feeding issues. The revolution counter, and the other one is a direction switch. And it actually runs much better now, and doesn't jam very much. The knitting mechanism itself has issues with um, the tension on the yarn and a couple of other things that I don't think I can fix electronically, but I guess we'll find out. And I haven't made it to the part where I replace the revolution counter as yet. Trello, I did a few updates on Sunday and Monday of last week, but I haven't gotten any new ones up yet. For next week, still hoping to get the Fire Beetle communicating with the level sensor. It's not talking as of last time I tried it, and probably I'll be doing a little bit more work on the revolution counter for the knitting machine. That's probably all get done this week, and hopefully update the tasks in Trello. I estimated that I could get 9 points done. No, that's not right now. Blocks, no blocks. Back to you.
Yeah. Okay. It's so I'm going to give myself a 2, and the team. I'll stay with an 8, and process improvement is to continue is to get Trello somewhere we feel good about. And back to you.
Okay, I got 6 out of 9 completed for last week, which is what 7 out of 10, and one for showing up. I think we'll count that as 8 out of 10, and I'll agree with 8 for the team. And yes, agreed. Trello is important, so we'll I'll try and get more done on that and not just on the day of our stand up. I think I've got to get it done as we go along because otherwise it's just not getting done. And that about wraps it up for stand up. You want to record crosstalk?
No.
Okay, we will stop recording here.